guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're doing a room tour of the Riviera Hotel here at the Epcot section of Disney World. So let's get going. Alright, so this is really nice at first glance, even though I can see we have a view of the parking lot. When you first walk in, we have a really nice glass shower with a rain, looks like golden rain heads. This door does slide. This door also does slide. There's barn doors on both sides, which is great. There's another barn door. It's pretty cool. And then this is a bathtub, so that's great. I could take a shower while my daughter is also taking a bath. Oh, they have migrated here. They do give you, looks like the lotion and the bath soap. And under here there is a hair dryer. So we have some outlet plugs right here. There's a full-length mirror. Oh, and when you walk in, let me just talk about this. This is great. They have like this little table here. I could probably put your cell phone or your keys or whatever. It looks like we have an adjoining room here that we're not going to be using. And then in here, wow, we have a vacuum. That's something you don't see all the time. They have dish soap and like a little laundry basket. This is great. And we have a steam iron. This is a really nice setup here. The room lights up too when you open the door. The floors are like hardwood, but they have like that shellac, or I don't know what, like glossy floor next to it. It's really nice. Oh, we have a regular coffee maker. We have a sink. In here we have some bowls, a wine opener, some silverware, plates, mugs. We have a microwave. This would have been so helpful yesterday. Looks like they've given us a toaster, an ice bucket. In here we have a dishcloth, more dish detergent, a sponge. Under here it looks like we just have recycling, but we do have a dishwasher. So here it looks like we have a full bed. Very cool poster on the wall, very French themed Mademoiselle Mouse, very cute. There's a Hey Disney here. We have some overhead lighting. And we have an outlet on this side along with the Hey Disney. Really love these headboards, very nice. This looks like it is a fifth sleeper. I'm going to try to put my daughter here. It looks like we have Rapunzel themed inside with Pascal. Very cute. It is my birthday, so we are staying here at the Riviera for my birthday treat. We have a pull-out Murphy bed. a little bit of a balcony, which is just facing the parking lot. And then here's this. So it looks like we have 3 more plugs here next to the coffee machine. We have another outlet plug right here. The thermostat, which we are going to turn this down. Oh, I guess we can't. This is like overhead lighting. Up here by the TV, we're going to turn this off. There are 2 USBs and 2 outlet plugs. Looks like we also have an overhead lighting here. We also have an outlet here, 2 outlet plugs. Oh, we have the under the bed storage. We have 2 USBs here on the right side and 2 plugs. All right, here is our view from our hotel room now in the morning. As you can see, it's just a parking lot view that we got. Not a big deal. There is a balcony out here, but it's like looking at this like gray area. So I don't know. I didn't bother to sit outside last night, but this is the view from the parking lot. And we're getting ready to leave. So excuse the mess. So yeah, this is the Murphy bed. There's the under storage. This is like a full bed. This was like a little twin bed, Murphy bed under here, 5th sleeper. Okay, so this didn't really get that cold. I think this is a beverage cooler. So yeah. And really enjoyed the bathrooms this morning because there is the bathtub and the shower. And then one thing I wanted to point out was this is not a steamer. This was an iron. The reason why I thought maybe it might be a steamer was because we had an actual steamer at the Contemporary when we stayed there. But yeah, so that's just something to keep in mind. Otherwise, it's a beautiful room, beautiful hotel. Here it is in the daytime. Did you like the hotel? So yeah, actually this room has a lot of space, even though it was like a studio. I really liked that we have this whole entryway here that we could put her stroller last night and still have like this whole space over here. So I would definitely recommend this, even if you're like a small family. Even a big family would fit pretty comfortably in here, I thought. Definitely great. We didn't have a chance to check out or use the microwave or whatever, but that would be great if you're staying for a long period of time. Yeah. Mommy, it's baby. Yeah, that's the mom. And look at Nana. I think that's the Darling family, right? There's Wendy. This is in the hallway over here at the Riviera. A lot of beautiful artwork here.
Mommy, Hansel.
Oh, wow. Ariel and Rapunzel, beautiful, beautiful paintings. And then over here,
Mommy, Snow White.
Yeah, we have Snow White and Cinderella. And I believe that you can order these pictures. It looks like down the hall there's Merida, but we're not going to go that far down. This is the view. So we were on the 3rd floor. flower arrangements. They had some flower arrangements when we were here last time visiting. This is the Boutique. It's their gift shop.
I'm not offended at all. I'd rather go back downstairs.
Very cute. Keep walking, faster, faster.
I go faster. I go faster.
Okay, watch out. So this is the Riviera.
Really nice. Can you open key?
No, we're not gonna open it. So I think that's gonna about do it for today's video. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. I share a lot of Disney content. I go to Disney multiple times a year with my 2-year-old, and it's just fun. You can follow along with all our adventures along the way. If go ahead and give this video a like. It really does help to support the channel, and we will see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place.